Hi friends! Today I'm going to show you how to make a flower for someone you love. The supplies you need for this project are a tissue, a pair of scissors, a twist tie or a piece of wire. You could use a pipe cleaner if you have one. And if you'd like to color it, you can use a marker for that. And a piece of scrap paper just to put on your work surface so that you don't get too messy. First step is to take your tissue, take a look at it, and see if your tissue actually has two layers. Most of them do. Look at the edge, you see there's two layers. Now, take the tissue and fold it in half and crease it to mark where the center is. Then use your scissor to cut down the center along the fold line. Now you have two rectangles of tissue. I'm going to put them on top of each other. Since each one had two layers, now I have 4 layers of tissue. Now I'm going to fold it into pleats like an accordion. Do that by taking the bottom edge, gotta make sure they're lined up so all the edges match up. I'm going to take the bottom edge and fold it up just a tiny bit, like the width of my pinky fingernail. Crease it. Now I've got to take the whole thing and turn it over. And the same part that I just folded, I'm going to fold it up again. Just a narrow bit of it. Fold it over, turn it over, and fold it again. When you're done folding it to all those little folds, take your twist tie and wrap it around at the center. And this part's kind of important. Try to get it really right at the center. Twist it so it holds tight. And then it should look sort of like this, kind of like a bow. Now, the next step, if you want to, is to add a little color. If you don't have a marker, don't worry about it. You can just have a white flower. I've got a purple marker. So what I'm going to do is color just the edges with my marker. I'm going to use this paper so that I don't get marker all over my table. Now that I've added some color, I'm going to separate the layers of tissue. Starting with the top layer. Make sure they're all separated. Just one layer. And I'm going to pull that up while I hold the other pieces down. And I'll do the same thing on the other side. That's how it looks with one layer pulled up. Pull up layer number 2. Both sides. Layer number 4 just needs to be sort of pushed up around the other layers. Fluff it up a little bit. And there you have it, a lovely carnation. That's what kind of flower I think this looks like. Now you can give this to anyone you love, anyone you care about, and maybe it'll brighten their day. Now if you don't have any tissues in your house, but you'd like to make one of these flowers, just experiment and try different kinds of paper. I made this one with a newspaper. I cut it into 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 layers, 6 pieces of paper about the same size, and made it exactly the same way. So you can try different things and have fun. Thanks for joining me.